Hello friends, welcome back you all to a new video. My name is Abhishek, you are watching VSCoder, and in this video my AI assistant Billy will show you 5 important VS Code extension that you should have and how to install it. If you have any question that you want to ask with me, then here on the screen I have provided my Telegram chat group QR code. You can scan it and join my VScoder community on Telegram, and also the link of that group will be provided in the description and comment box. You can directly join by clicking on it. So to become a part of this VScoder community, you have to click this subscribe button, and after you will click it, you will feel like
My name is Billy. I am artificial assistant created by VScoder. Let's jump on the topic. Number 1 in the list is Live Server. Live Server execute your code immediately on the web browser. You don't have to refresh the browser every time when you make changes in your code. This extension will save you a lot of time. Let's see how to install it in VS Code. Step 1. Open VS Code. Step 2. Click on extension icon and search Live Server. Step 3. Select this one and click install. Step 4. Final step. In the bottom right hand side of VS Code you will see Go Live option. Click that, and your live server is ready for you. Number 2 in the list is Auto Rename Tag. Auto Rename Tag is a VS Code extension that automatically renames both the opening and closing tags of an HTML element when one of them is changed. So, for example, if you change the name of a start tag from a to div, the connected closing tag will also be updated to /div. This utility can save time and reduce the risk of errors when working with large or complex HTML documents. Let's see how to install it in VS Code. Step 1. Open VS Code. Step 2. Click on extension icon and search Auto Rename Tag. Step 3. Select this one and click install. Step 4. After it is installed, this live-saving extension is ready for you. Number 3 in the list is CSS Peek. CSS Peek is a VS Code extension that allows developers to quickly navigate and edit CSS styles defined in external style sheets directly from HTML and JavaScript files. It provides a peek feature that will enable you to hover over a class or its selector in your HTML code and see the corresponding CSS styles in a tooltip. In addition, it allows you to view and edit the styles without switching between files or manually searching for the complementary styles in your CSS file. Let's see how to install it in VS Code. Step 1. Open VS Code. Step 2. Click on extension icon and search CSS Peek. Step 3. Select this one and click install. Step 4. After it is installed, hover on any class or ID in HTML or JavaScript file. You will be able to see the style and tooltip. Number 4 in the list is Prettier. Prettier is a Visual Studio Code extension that automatically formats your code according to a consistent style. It supports various programming languages and can format code according to customizable style rules. The extension can format the code as you save it, or you can manually format the entire document or a specific selection of code. This eliminates the need to format code manually, saving time and reducing the chance of errors. It also helps enforce consistency in the code base, making it easier to read and understand. Let's see how to install it. Step 1. Open VS Code. Step 2. Click on extension icon and search Prettier. Step 3. Select Prettier and click install. Step 4. After it is installed, you can format your file. Number 5 in the list is Auto Close Tag. Auto Close Tag is a Visual Studio Code extension that automatically adds closing tags when you type the corresponding opening tags in HTML files. It saves developers time by automatically closing tags and eliminates the need to add closing tags manually. Let's see how to install it in VS Code. Step 1. Open VS Code. Step 2. Click on extension icon and search Prettier. Step 3. Select Prettier and click install. Step 4. After it is installed, you can format your file.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any kind of doubt, then please join my Telegram chat group. Link is in the description and comment box. And to support me, please like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.